Good morning, students. Today we will continue our sixth lesson, more on WordPad. Dear students, in our previous class we were discussing about the parts of WordPad window. Now we are going to learn some more features of WordPad window. Creating a new document. If we want to create a new assignment in WordPad, we must need a blank document. The WordPad button helps us to create a new document. For that, open WordPad window and click on WordPad button. Then select New option from the list. A new blank window will be visible. In this window, there is a blinking vertical line that is called a cursor. When we type on the screen, the cursor moves left to right. As you go on typing, when the text is reaches at the end of the line, the cursor will be moves to the next line automatically. Another way to create a new blank document, select the new option from the Quick Access toolbar or press the shortcut key Ctrl plus N on the keyboard. Step 1. Click on WordPad button. Step 2. Select the new option. Next topic is saving the document. WordPad allows us to store the documents in our computer. It can be opened whenever we want. To save a document in WordPad window, follow the given steps. Open a new document and type the text that we want to save. Then click on the WordPad button and select Save option from the list. Now a Save As dialog box will appear. Then type the file name in the file name box. Then click on Save button. Another way to save a document, select the Save option from the Quick Access toolbar or press the shortcut key Ctrl plus S on the keyboard. Step 1. Click on WordPad button. Step 2. Select Save option. Then step 3. Type the desired name. And step 4. Click on the Save button. Next one is to open a document. If we want to make any changes in our document, we must open that file. For that, click on WordPad button. Then select Open option from the drop-down list. An open dialog box will appear. Then type the desired file name in the file name box that we want to open. Click on Open button. Another way to open an existing document, select the Open option from the Quick Access toolbar or press the shortcut key Ctrl plus O on the keyboard. Step 1. Click on WordPad button. Step 2. Select Open option. Then step 3. Select or type the desired file name. And step 4, click on open button. Dear students, let's wind up. Thank you.